Hey, what's up guys, Naam here. So there's been some new updates to the IRS website. So on the IRS website now, you can actually update your direct deposit information if you don't think you have the correct banking information, or you can actually track your stimulus payment or the economic relief payment, the formal name. So let's go into the website to see how this all works out. All right, so when we go to the IRS website, so on the third one down on a mobile phone, you're gonna see get info on economic impact payments. Once you click on that, there's going to be a new blue tab that's you could click on now, which is the Get My Payment function. So with that, you can check your payment status. You can confirm your payment type like the direct deposit or check. And you can also enter your bank account information for direct deposit if they don't have your information already, or if they haven't sent your payment yet. They also have some additional info as well. So if they don't have your direct deposit information from 2018 or 2019, you could use this function so you can update that information so they know where to send your payment. So for 2019 filers, you should have the most recent information on your tax returns anyways, so you won't have to do anything. In case if you do have incorrect banking information there may be some delay to your payments. So for 2018 filers, the ones who haven't filed their 2019 taxes, they said that your best bet to change your account information or your mailing address is to file your 2019 taxes electronically as soon as possible. They said this is the only way to let them know about your new information. They also say, as a side note, they're not able to currently process any individual paper tax returns. So if you did file any 2019 tax returns, you may not be able to get your stimulus payment on time. I think your best bet is to use the non-filers form that's on the website itself, so you can get your economic relief payment as soon as possible. So now let's click onto the Get My Payment function. So once you get on there, they give you more instructions and they tell you what information you're going to find and what you may need. Now let's click onto the Get My Payment function. So once you click on it, it's going to tell you to please wait. I actually logged on this website a couple times. They said due to high demand, you may see longer than usual access to the site. So I'll make sure I show all the screenshots of what happens. So when that page just loaded for you, you got to put in some personal information. So you got to put in your social security number or your ITIN number, also your birthday, your street address, and your zip or your postal code. So once you put in that information, just click continue. It's going to show you your payment status. So I actually received a payment pending yesterday from my bank. I bank with USAA. So today it said that deposit on April 15th, which is today, at the bank account below. So this is my banking information. It says that if you don't see your payment credit to your account, check with your bank to verify if they received it. They will mail you a letter with additional information on this payment. So the IRS did say previously that they were going to send a letter in the mail to confirm payment or just show you how the payment was sent. So for individuals who were able to file taxes for 2019, maybe they filed with paper taxes and the IRS is still processing it and they don't have your banking information, on this site, they may have an option for you to put in the correct banking information or direct deposit information if you have some. So if you haven't filed your 2019 taxes, your best bet is just to file them as soon as possible. So the use of this portal is really not all that great if you have incorrect banking information for 2019, because you really can't change that. So the only way to fix this problem is to probably wait until the IRS sends you a letter in the mail stating how did they send the payment. You may have to contact the IRS whenever they send out all of the economic relief payments, and you're able to call somebody from the IRS so you can update that information. But regardless, you can still get your stimulus checks throughout the whole year. You can get it as late as December of 2020. And also if you don't get it this year, you can get it as a tax credit when you file your 2020 taxes. So alright guys, so that pretty much does it for me. I just wanted to show you guys the new updates on the IRS website. So if you guys want to learn more about personal finance or just hang out with me some more, just check out my videos over here.